Welcome back, guys. Today we have a Kubota tractor and that have the error code. I'll show you quick how to fix the code. Stay with me. Here you can see, as soon I will turn the switch on. Let me zoom in. There's one code P0, okay, again 380 P606, and that is the code. The easy trick for the code is turn the switch off, normal, press and hold these two buttons. And I have the phone in my hand, so let me turn the key on. So while you have to keep it pressed down and turn the switch on, I'll do it. I have the camera in my hand. Stay with me. So I did press down, turn the switch on, and there as you can see A. Okay, and now release the both button. Okay, A is still there, and now you need to press down this button one time and leave it, and this will go to the B. Okay, I'll show you. I just press one time, it's gone to the B, and now I have to keep it pressed down the button. I did press it down, it's disappear, and now release it. I release it, and now it came in push. You can see there, push, and I will keep it push. Okay, so you can see that is off. Now I'm going to release it. I did the release, and that is off. Turn the switch off, turn the switch on. That is the magic. The code is gone, and I'll start the tractor. Let me turn the switch on back again, and the code is gone. Just make sure if there is a problem, the code will come back again. If there is a minor problem, like the battery is down or something like that, so you will just recharge the battery or jumper cable and then do it. It will fix it. If there is any code came back, just do the Google with the code and you will find out the problem. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.